Welcome back to Her Frequency Daily. Take a moment. Let the noise fall away. This space is yours. Breathe in, and as you exhale, let go of the belief that you have to earn your wealth. You are not too much. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. You are healing. You are exactly where you need to be. I release the weight I've been carrying. I release the guilt that doesn't belong to me. I am allowed to take up space. I am allowed to feel. I am allowed to rest. I give myself permission to stop chasing and start receiving. I don't need to prove my value. My existence is enough. I speak to myself gently. I show up for myself with love. I trust that what's meant for me will not miss me. Every day, I grow more rooted in my truth. Every day, I become more of who I truly am. I let go of comparisons. I stop measuring myself by anyone else's timeline. I bloom in divine timing. I rise in my own rhythm. I don't chase worth. I embody it. I am not small. I am powerful, even when I'm soft. I am enough. I am already enough. Listen to this every day for 30 days. Let these words become your new inner voice. Come back to this space anytime you forget who you are. Subscribe and I'll meet you here again.